Bonjour tout le monde. Hi everyone. Once again, welcome. Today we're gonna be learning some other special sound we have to master in French. Thank you. Welcome. Okay, les amis. Then guys, let's see the first one is A. Second one, A. Third one, A. A. Okay, the first one, comme soleil. Soleil is sun. Sun is soleil. Conseil. Conseil is advice. Second A is comme as veille. Veille means before the day. Before the day. I don't know how to say, but it is before the day. Veille. And the next one with the second sound is vieille. Vieille is older for lady. Old, feminine, older. Okay, third one, A, comme, œil. As you can see, it is a quite different sound, but very close. It is a œil, œil, like a œil. Œil means eye, eye. Good. Next one, the fourth one is a aille. Aille, like comme travail. Travail is a work, work. And I is literally garlic. Hope you understand. And then the fifth one is I also. The last two sound are similar. A-I-L-I, A-I-L-L-E-I. Comme volaille. Volaille. Okay, this word is literally all birds with two feet will be called volaille, like a bird, chicken, everything with 2 feet and the wings. Even it cannot fly, it is a volaille. We call them volaille. It is the family of volaille. Thank you. Okay, guys, let's see the next one. Next one is starting with E. The one we have seen previously. Please check it out and watch this video. We have talked about this EU is a sound. And then I used to say EU really is a starting of a sound. It is not really sound, but saying to someone it is not sound, it is not truth. But if you didn't sound this AU EU sound, you sound it properly. Like I say, uh, uh, is a EU sound. It is a comme or as heureux. Heureux means happy. And then joining EU to E as you know, one L behind I and double L behind I are sound E. E. It is longer. We'll be talking about that later. Thank you guys. And then let's sound them. It is a euille, 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 and euille. First euille come fauteuil. Fauteuil means sofa. And then euille. The third one come feuille. Feuille means a sheet. As a sheet, as like a sheet of paper. I say, give me one blank paper. It is a feuille. Feuille de papier means paper sheet. Feuille de papier. Thank you. Okay, guys. The next couple of sound is a similar sound. It is a tion. T-I-O-N is tion sound. Please don't mistake. It is not tion. It is tion. Okay. And S-I-O-N, scion. W-S-I-O-N, scion. S-C-I-O-N, scion. Okay, first one, comme as attention. Attention. Second one, come as tension. 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 Third one, come as passion. Passion, like a passion. Scion as itself scion. Scion is a feint. A feint. Hope you understand. Feint is scion. Okay, guys. Attention, please. There is a very good information we want to emphasize with you. Votre attention, s'il vous plaît. Okay, guys. As you can see here, we have R and L. R and L make the vowels or the special sound longer. Properly, we do not read them, but if you read them, there's no problem, no mistaken to read them. But if you see them behind a vowel or a special sound, you make the vowel or the special sound longer. But I don't know, but if you do not read, if you read them, okay. You do not read them, it is better to sound the vowel or the special sound longer. Let's see how it works. Okay, guys. Examples. Example. A. Al. I. Il. Elle. Elle. Or. All. U. U. I. I. O. Ou. Ooh. But no problem to sound them. You can say R, L, IR, il, elle, elle, or, all, ur, ul, il, ir, or, ul, ur. Good.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more videos like this, and if you did not like it, leave us a comment and tell us why you do not like it. Hope to see you in the next one, and don't forget to share and subscribe. It's totally free.